Today, I'm going to guide you on redeeming codes in Dragon City so you can score rewards like gems, faster upgrade times, and more. To get started, open Dragon City and tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. This section has all the options to manage your game settings. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the support tab. Here's where you'll find information on various game features, and it's also where you can start the code redemption process. In the search tab, type rewards in the search bar. Select the first result related to redeeming rewards. Now, since Dragon City doesn't have a direct option to enter codes, you'll need to follow an extra step. To redeem a code, you'll need to get help from Dragon City's customer support. Look for the contact support or chat support option. Mention that you're looking to redeem a code, and their team will assist you with the next steps to apply the rewards to your account. Important note, make sure to have your in-game name or user ID ready as they might need it to confirm your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching.